Hey, hello guys, hello Pi engineers, Python programmers. Yeah. Well, this time I uh, develop a code to calculate the effective length of a column, reinforced concrete column, according to the Eurocode 2. Prior to running this coding, let me go to the theory behind this for a while. Let's go to Revit for a while. This is the column. I want to calculate the effective length of this column number 2. And obviously, before to it, I need to know the values of K1 and K2, which is in the coding is also K sub both and K sub top. So let's go to see what those values are. Uh, Let me go to Revit database, column height. So basically that value of K is the relationship between the column stiffness and the beam stiffness. Um, in our example, for instance, K1 equal to K2 is gonna be equal to K because we got a symmetrical frame in this case. And also, as you could see here, you know, uh, also you gotta to develop this program, you gotta know if you're designing as a brace member or unbraced member. So that's actually up to the designer or the engineer or to decide in terms of uh, which option is going to design the structure to be much more safe in terms of stability if that's the case. Well, obviously, if you go for a brace member, you gotta use this equation, which is actually in terms of K1 and K2, the clear length of the column itself. And also, if you're designing for an embrace member, you gotta pick the larger between these two values. So once you got this, we gotta go to run the script in Python. Also, you could actually, in this example, for instance, I'm actually testing the example based on this work example. And for example, we got a column of uh, cross section. So the cross section of this column is 400 width by 300 depth. Also, we got the bin here, the bin cross section, and the clear height, which is 3 meters height of the column. Yeah, 3 meters, yeah. So we gotta calculate the values of K1 equal to K2 equal to K because it's a symmetrical frame. It gives 0.096. With this value, we go to the table here, and with this value of K calculated, you pick the value of K, interpolating. If you, as I say, if you go for a brace member or an embrace, you interpolate the values from here. In this particular example, we got a value of 0.56. Read it from here. So that value needs to be calculated to the clear height of the column, which is 3 meters, which is going to give you the effective height of the column equal to 1.77 meters. So again, let's go to see the analytical model in Revit. So this is just for uh, prior to running this script in Revit. Okay, we gotta calculate the column number to effective height. So let's go to run then. So the column width is, as I said, 400 mil. The column depth is 300 mil. The clear height is 3 meters, which is 3,000. Yeah. The, the value of K2 is 0.096, as we've seen before. Value of K1 is equal because it's a symmetrical frame, as I said, 0.6. Is it a brace or brace? We decided to design as a brace member, so I'll say yes, I'll type yes. So we got the value of effective length equal to 1.777 if you need to round out to a, so round up. Let's compare this value with the one in the work example. Let's go to the database in Revit. You got a 1.77, which is the value rounded up here. So either you do using this table, or you could actually automate, this table using some Python programming language skills in this case. And also, it gives you more chances. Once you develop this coding, you could, automate even further. So it's pretty much up to you how you want to, automate your no, I don't want to say repetitive tasks, because still you need to use judgment to do these tasks. So at the end of the day, you are in control. Sometimes some engineers with experience, they may not need this, but in terms of report presentation, when writing reports or doing this, you gotta do this procedure, because you have to put on paper all your, to back up your calculations if that's the case, because you know what I mean. So this is the third video on Python I did so far. I will develop further more examples on engineering and as well on Revit, Python for Revit applications, but I think I will update you guys on that at some point. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, bye. None.